Moja kanjani siyathini Moja kanjani siyathini Yeah Moja kanjani siyathini Moja kanjani siyathini Moja kanjani siyathini
Sick, cameraman.
So how's it?
I'm playing if it was it.
We easy, man. So, what's your name?
So unfair to Nobangela la way yabo amanjandazi yophanyekasa yabo hold it down. You understand? But I can't need for re-entry because ukumbiandaza apha eMzantsi Africa mfethu, you know. You understand? I'm the biggest thing mfethu since, you understand? No mfethu. So ke mfethu the artist mfethu. Yabona the artistry. Anything in the art mfethu ndikhona. Yabona fumaneka ku socials yonke indawo efumanekayo ndikhona, you understand? Bethi art mfethu bakho imali ndikhona, bakho imfundo ndikhona. Bona ndafumaneka manje mfethu yawuthi efumanekayo.
Alright.
But yona nibethayo i-rap. Yabona i-rap mfethu.
So, where are you based?
Oh! Kapina mfethu mbuzo wakho.
Where do you come from?
Okay, sure. Stefani mfethu manje soka kwindawo ezininzi, you understand mfethu, yabona. Ikhona phana eKing, yabona mfethu. Bona sentsane ngona yabo. Bayaphakamisa sentsane bayayazi. Shop up. Yabona ikhona naphana eJoburg mfethu yabo. Khona naphana eCape Town. Bona khona napha. Mfethu ndi everywhere mfethu, you understand? Yabona ndiphi ngo? Chekisa camera pa. Semazweni out yami. You understand? Semazweni and everywhere, you understand? Nobangela yabona mfethu bayandazi mfethu.
Oh, Grant. So you say you're a rapper.
Yeah.
What's some of your latest hits out there?
Yeah, hits some mfethu. I know bayazi kasi hits some mfethu yabo.
Which kasi?
Mfethu any kasi. Bawunofika umise uye shop yabo. Kamandi andazi pha my friend anywhere yabo. Andazi manje. But latest hit ensanebetha mfethu no paint you off. No paint you off. Paint ihlala ngaphakathi.
Produced by
khona iyawuthamthanga usikhwahlela. Yabo ibamba down.
Well, you seem very mysterious. You're a private guy or?
No man mfethu man, yabona ndi out yasekasa yabo, so ufuneka ngihleli, you understand? Ngihleli ndi akuthembi nawe actually mfethu. But guess lapha.
No, you know who I am. We had a talk about it. You said you wanted to be a part of the show. So like, I hear in the streets in your kasi it's very dangerous. I hear you come from a rough background, you know.
Yeah mfethu, yabona mfethu phayana ko mfethu Javile yabuya mfethu. Abantu bahamba ngempundo ebusuku. Abantu bahamba ngempundo ebusuku pha. Yabona mfethu siyakhipha man mfethu istove siku-6. You understand? Stove siku-6 phana but ke iqanda salifrayisha noba siku-6. Usifake neVienna sonbuza. Ubekeka wena qha interview out time man.
Apparently you're a big ladies man. Are you relaxed?
No, I'm chilling mfethu ndiwaphethe yabo. Waphethe yabo yanibona mos. Trip mfethu. Yabo. Trip mfethu ndiphethe. You understand? Abayazi ke lena mfethu. Abayazi. Andifuna uyithetha. Andifuna uyiringa. Andifuna uyicinga. You are out yabo. Hayi abaya. Ibona le. Kabuza mfethu imibuzo. Ndawo ndileqa kuyo mfethu.
So, the fans want to know why you haven't been paying your baby mama.
No, essential fit doesn't mean that mfethu yabo as an artist. Yabo, you must live the life of an artist. You understand?
Is that not taking care of your kids?
No, mfethu yabo. I'm not saying he's a way, you understand mfethu, but as an artist mfethu, uyayazi man mfethu. You understand? I hope niphendule mfethu.
All right. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
We hope to see you grow.
Yeah, mfethu man. Actually, khona into ndibuza. Ona ngawuza baku. Yeah, mfethu, as you can see mfethu yabo lapha kum ikasi yabo. I-cheese boy kaloku uphinde be out yabo. Yasekasi, you understand? So yeah, mfethu. Hey, Blackbantwana le. Bonokwazi kaloku mfethu ungena kwingingqi yam. You understand mfethu without permission. Kaloku ndingunobangela. Sazapha cameraman uzobona izinto. Wash! Ndifuna ndibone ngokumazi apha endingqini yam la wena.